In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart on Meesho. To get started, open the Meesho app on your phone or go to the Meesho website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you're new to Meesho, you can create an account first and then continue. Being signed in helps make sure your cart, address, and order details are saved properly. After logging in, you can either browse through the homepage or use the search bar to find a specific product. If you already know what you want to buy, tap on the search bar, type the name of the item, and then tap search. This is usually the fastest way to find a product directly. From the search results, select the product you want. On the product page, take a moment to review the details carefully. Look through the product images, read the description, check the price, and scan the customer ratings or reviews if available. This helps you make sure you're choosing the right item before adding it to your cart. If the product comes in different options, select your preferred size, color, or variant. This part is important because the Add to Cart button may not work correctly until the required option is selected. Also, make sure the item is currently in stock so you don't run into issues during checkout. Once everything looks good, tap the Add to Cart button. Wait for the confirmation message that shows the item has been successfully added. After that, tap the cart icon, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on whether you're using the app or website. Inside your cart, review the items you've added. If you want to buy more than one of the same product, update the quantity. If there's anything you no longer want, remove it before moving forward. You can also continue shopping by returning to the home page and adding more items to your cart. When you're ready to complete your purchase, tap Proceed or Checkout. Then enter or confirm your delivery address, choose the payment method you want to use, and review the order summary carefully. Pay close attention to the total price and shipping details so there are no surprises. Finally, tap Place Order to complete your purchase on Meesho. And that's it. That's how to add to cart on Meesho and move through checkout smoothly.